Okay, so we are going to learn how to do some little red birds today, also known as cardinals. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and I'm going to show you how we're going to paint those today. I'm going to dip my water first, dip it into my paint, which your paint will probably already be ready for you. Okay. Now, we're going to do two red birds, okay? We're going to do a circle, and then we're going to do another circle. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. We're going to fill in the circles with our paint. Again, we want to go in a round motion because we are in a circle. And yes, I know it doesn't look that red, it looks more pink. That's because we're using watercolor. In watercolor, we start light and we add layers, and usually in class, we only have time for maybe 1 or 2 layers, but that's okay. So I've got my 2 red circles. Now I'm going to add the wings. Here's what I'm going to do. Line, line. Line, line, and guess what? Fill in that little triangle shape and just attach it here. I'm going to do the same thing to my other bird, but I'm going to put the wings up because we're bumping into my other bird here. That's okay. Just supposed to be fun. We're learning. Okay, now that I have that done, okay, what I want to do is I will rinse my brush out. I'll then use a different color. I will draw 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's give our bird some feet. That was supposed to be a black color, but some of my classes have been in here before I started doing this. Anyway, okay, there's my little bird's feet that I attached. We want to put a little branch for them to stand on. So I'm going to draw a line right under their feet. And I can make that branch skinny, or I can make it thicker by adding onto the line horizontally. I'm going to put my branch going down like this. Might not see all of it because they're just hanging out being birds. I'm done with my paint, so then I would let this dry and I would come back, and that's when I could add an upside down triangle right in the middle. And color it in. And I'm going to show you this on one bird, right? But we would do it to both. Okay. And then I'm going to give 2 dots for the eyes. Again, I'd probably need to wait till that's done. So then I have 2 dots for the eyes, and I have my 2 red birds. And just to make it extra special, if I wanted to give him or her a hat or a scarf, I could do that. I could also make it look like it's snowing or it's really cold outside in my background. Maybe it's raining because I did blue. Okay. I think this one needs a little hat. Again, that is up to you. I don't want my bird to be cold. I'm sure it's cold out there. What am I doing wrong here? Do I color like this? No. Probably need to turn my paper. Probably need to turn it because my shape changed, right? It's something on top of the head. And now it's curved and it's going this way. So I need to follow it. I need to follow it and fill it in. And I think we're missing a poof on the hat. So I'm gonna add a poofy pom-pom on our little hat on our bird. Again, that's up to you. You can add a hat, earmuffs. You don't have to add anything if you want to. I'm just adding mine a little hat. I want that part to be a little darker so I can tell that it's the pom-pom on the hat. I'm gonna go back and trace over my lines. Again, you'll probably have to wait till it's dry because it doesn't work as well when it's like that. And then my snowflakes, my little snow. And then I'll make my other little bird friend once this gets dry.